They know you not feel, they know they see you say, this woman, you know, she's a blogger, she's good, she's this. They know you can never spill anything positive. Now before, now they blame you, say if you they talk, oh how many behama you are gine la video. But when I can see your condition, say all those craze where you decrease, now how to raise money, go buy HIV medicine. I started to just look and ignore. I started to look and ignore. If there is anybody where person want to saga with, no be HIV patients. No be HIV patient, because where you they go, 9 years you pass. Now where you they go, self-love. Ne mama fita. Now where you they go, 9 years you pass. Replying you or talking to you, now just I know you're going to I want to make I just see contact to this nativity of a woman. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Es a share where human traffic. Now you be. Now you be. Why you not go to support trafficking? Because you be here of it. Even some of the guests where you carry, they bring their picture for me. If you doubt me, I go post them. I go block them. No, say no believe they block. The reason why I not even today active on Facebook is because I dey busy for my YouTube. If not, a misbehave, you know why I misbehave, why they use one eye, take the look on a Sunday while you see say make I come forward. I just look and say, and then I mail this one get out a bag. Now where did they go? 9 years they pass. Self-love. Ne we are busy. You go and say you be bini. No we yet don't talk boy you be bini. You be bini. Not burobo you be. No go la horeva bon. You be bini. I never see you want to carry your robo people matter they talk for your platform. The robo man where they say he no do now for trailer can't dump for those cyberspace. Where park una where be robo con. I know say fine. I have robo fans, I get robo family and friends. But as you use less, so because if you see say something happen to other people, you like to take advantage. You first come out that day, you say Benin May, they are very useless. I know if you quit the test, say era no dia say no what. Now you they talk to because waiting you expect. And you are married to a Benin man. You are married to a Benin man. Because the man they show you shaggy. Which man want they lawyer to Ekperon? Which man go they lawyer to Ekperon? Nuwe Benin me to buwawagbo. See your life. After so many ashewowo. After many jumping offense. After many yekodon huwe gekia. You ended up with HIV. Now you carry HIV. Go do your HIV test. Go and do your HIV test. Come and post it. As useless as you are, you they talk now your mouth no pass. Fita do me well. Come and show us your skin. Self-love. Wetin Edward do na self to start with. So say Edward they pretend. So say Edward the person where they pretend 9 was pass. Everybody know for this life say people wey no they talk. No pray make them talk. Everybody know. No be only Edward even get that kind of character. Some of una get those kind of character. Not be everybody they feel they back like dog at the end you not get it. You where you want go the back for where person where not they talk day. Make sure say teeth full your mouth. If not, that person where not they talk so blow away go blow your mouth. Or that mouth where you take the back so all your tongue everything go cut. They say Edward they pretend. Yes, may she pretend. And I also have this message for Edward. Please, Edward. I'm telling you this as a doe sister, as a friend, as a person where like you, as a new fans where you just get. Let me tell you something. Pay more attention to your fan base. Okay? Pay more attention to your fan base. You see the love where people they show you for these few days, they be won't drag you as usual. They be won't follow you as usual. Have a husband snatcher. They be won't drag you as usual, but God can't disgrace the entire house. God wipe their face with disgrace. People, they say, Edward do video. Edward do video. Before Edward do video, did you guys sit down to think of, say, waiting trigger Edward to do that video? Edward where we know, na person where not they talk. Edward not they feed they talk. Even now she can't even still feed it. Now she can't they feed they talk. Edward where we know right from time. I don't know Edward. I never even thought say I want to come Europe. Not be today I know Edward. Not be today I know Edward. He get one of my auntie that time with the American time where she take home. Now Edward salute she they do hair for vegetable market there for a Airport Road. If you know Edward, you know say Edward. Now my media, na person where just they say live and let live. She no get time. That Asupe Queen, where they call herself second. That Asupe Queen, so she don't already target that house. Say yes, Eva agree. Now may she go there. Go they terrorize Edward. Thanks for joining my lady Adesuwa. Una forget say before Asupe Queen go that house. Asupe Queen before they go put money for Asupe Queen head. Asupe Queen they need down. They greet Edward. Una don't forget the videos are there. If Asupe Queen carry camera go Edward salute where Edward they walk, she they bed down they greet Edward call mommy. Na Asupe Queen asikpaka asimosimo aka we no separate. Na so she take the greet Edward. You got boma yeseni no re a music industry. Now so she they bed down they greet Edward. If Edward not dey nice to her, she no go they bed down they greet Edward. Why was she doing all those things? Make them for marry her. Make them for manage her. Make Edward for accept her into the family. Because there is no way man go take say one married two wives where the two women know they play. It's not possible. It's not possible. Especially their type of people, social media people. Me, I felt say Asupe Queen say, if anything do Edward, if Edward come out say, Edward never even they cry now. Asupe Queen, you dey hot seat. Imagine the day where Edward go come cry, come out, even if the cry na real or fake, we no care. Now that one be fan base. Obi Okan Asupe Queen. My way we no longer there. The day where Edward go cry, come out now. Say we see and say she dey cry. Every no way to that time. You go explain. You go tire. I tell you, I say, if anything, if Edward know the smile, if she dey vex, except say she not show her for media. Say she no poster. Say we no know say Edward is not happy. If we know, because you go meet her for that house. Before you enter that family, nobody know whether Edward, nobody knows Edward take the eat. Nobody know whether she get house or she no get house. Nobody know whether she dey borrow money till they buy her or she not borrow money. Nobody know as even the Baba Egbe inside. Nobody know as it they live. Nobody knows. Upesio Asupe Queen. You don't go there finish. You think say na by gra. You never know me. I fight for inside market. I fight for inside market. Is that one achievement? You fight inside market. Yes, you fight inside market because you were dirty and local. Yes. You were dirty and local. Come to think of it. You are not perfect. Not participate if the talk of people because you can deceive who you want to deceive, not be me. Or maybe people around me. Never. Because the one way you do for our face where we see. We send a vibata nyang. Our go where you let here. You were not super quen or run or the music industry. You they hear me so? The house where you fell marry native daughter. You say native daughter tell you say, he want marry second wife. As native daughter tell you say, he want marry second wife. You can say, I had a bar. You say, lie. Man, no fit marry join you. Asupe queen. You marry native daughter. Now, native daughter, based on native daughter, that they marry reach 3-4. Native daughter tell you say, he won't marry join you. Now you say no, lie. Now you come out for the marriage. Abi, now you come out. The person where you born your last born for, the man was already a married man. This will not be say girlfriend, then get. He put money for woman head. Now, so you do enter that house. You enter finish, you call. The woman where you go meet for house, you chase them out. You pursue that woman. As you pursue that woman, any car away, no, they sleep, consider talk, say, you yourself, where they pursue person, so, oh, wani, where dieva ya, because, who where ye bo mue ya. Now, a boy you just spoil everywhere. That is why the marriage no get head, no work. To whoever is second or your kind of person who de terrible way. Wo ni neno wado we mai we dieva ya umagie no e. Now you take carry get one small pikin wey dey carry up and down so. Now you constantly choke your head inside this one. As a gold digger where you be. You just see this one and say yes. His wife they okay. Everything they okay. Una si kamwe. My love I do blog I just say me all day busy for YouTube. I just dey busy. I dey work on some things on you for YouTube, my love. How far now? Longest I dey miss you. That then I make Benado blog. Una they get me so my people. Please thumbs up this video, love and like and share. Una they get me. Asupe when we be gold digger just see Edward is doing fine. Edward. Now we they talk say Edward not get money again. If you know Edward before, you will know say right from time, you not get when Edward broke. If you know a word, say that a word where you the yes so. Where a super queen now they do like say na in raise of yere. Thanks for joining Mama Gloria. Thanks for joining Mama. When a super queen they do like say na in raise a word. Na in make a word see money go market. A word that I never hear one day where they say a word salute shut down. Or mommy go ya they told him. Or Edward guess where Edward get for store. He never get one day where you go Edward. So you can say 5 guests they there, 6 guests they there, 7 guests they there. Wow. Now from 14, 15, 20, 25. A story our busy. If you know Mama Ebo Pepper Rice, you will know Edward. Our busy 247. Thanks for joining my person Mary. So how can Asupe Kwe no yo gwe seleke? No ma ekena mena gbe abawe ke no vena kairo gboma yese dana Asupe Kwe no the music industry. How can you not say worry those but no my word? A story word is busy. A story word. As in a artist. Actress, all of the door they come was salute that time. Come they do hair, they do things. Even Mama G that time. Anytime when Mama G take company, Now what salute she they do her? Even that time, Edward never did media. You know how many celebrities, any celebrity you see say they been now what salute they do her before they go any show where they invite or anything. You think say Edward na small picky? Edward not small. When it comes to money, Edward not small. Where this asupe when they talk the thing, as he say word na shit. Over here they wa beg you here, oh and they wa beg here. Edward not small. Now they get me. Right from time, Edward is a rich woman. Edward don't they make money before she know her husband. Tattoo now her husband saying go draw for Edward salon. Before a person of her husband, there is a person of her husband, like I don't know I want to talk there. Because that one too, yeah, you come for abroad, everything there. He come follow the old Benin, say, where he go fit they say do that. You come be saying like only Edward. Now if he go, that one supposed to let you know, say, everywhere still. Thanks for joining my person. Thanks for joining. And when they say, what you do this woman for hand? Now, sweetie be this. This woman gets Ugiagbe, HIV. Now, this crocodile, they go, he don't pass, he shot for this crocodile their body for a very long time. The time when filter see their Facebook, if this woman they do video, they use filter till they hide down with her long sleeve. That time she raise hand like this, you no go see her. Now as filter take come off for Facebook, so now Anya stay open. Now sweet now Ugiagbe she get HIV. She be HIV patient. Thanks for joining my lady and message. Now they get me so. Please guys, as you are joining, love and like and share. Edward no small. Edward na big me. Everybody know. Everybody know. The only people where go to say they don't know a word then, and because people will not get money, they know they go better places. You never that time self, you never they chop money. If you be babe, when they read it, when you be babe, you do things, you they chop money, you they go out, you go know a what salute. Even though you not fit pay for her service, if na nails you go feast there. So your quote according to your clothes, you go feast nails there. If na lash, you go do only a lash there. I get friends like that. If you would say, make they go do it for what they'll say, he will only go no he. What salute then? You the fitness AC go they blow you. AC 247. I had you baba. Now this a sick back where be say the time where what they make money. A sick back they will ho of a law ho. A sick back they will foul for Bohas. And sick back, they will foul for Bohas. Now you want to talk, say you make person. We already made ourselves. Even before you finally zozo come out for all the husbands where you go. You will be say you left your marriage because you no fit accommodate second wife. Now you can't force yourself now to become somebody else second wife. You won't even be the second wife. You don't want do in peace. You won't do in peace. If you say if you bad do, then you come pursue a word. A word, please, my sister. Focus on your fan base. Or that for when man kweye la o talk and kwe you to eka. Not be that one way do it. Wait in we test and deceive the old people. They go put money for Esther head. If he no grief for a beg, he go grief for to eka. If he do you something, crack on Facebook. Yes, crack to social media. Your platform, go remove her for their hand. Remove her for their hand. Enough it banned you from Facebook, no? Because nowadays, now media people, they say, hey, you are a businesswoman. If you ban Asipaka, that one is normal. Asipaka not get what they do for live video. Now musician, she says she can finally turn to saga woman. Now saga, now she be presenter, she be one of us. Asipaka cannot say no be presenter, never. Nobody go follow about that one. She's a presenter. Even though police they here say maybe Asipaka, she's a presenter. Address her as a presenter. She feel they sing. Not be today they say person get many occupation, but she's a presenter. Before person go sit down, they analyze video. That one are waiting. Musician, they analyze video. As I say, she do they analyze video. They say share the video, my people, they do saga. You are a presenter. Now they get me so. So Edward, focus on your fan base. Leave the organ may do it. Leave that one may you they do what they do. If Asikpa can't give you, give her back. No open door for her again. Oh. No give her a second chance. Oh. Now you know. No give her a second chance. I know say as Asikpa can and the thing don't backfire now. You go back go ginger on her husband. Then your husband now come gather on together. They'll come by online video. They laugh. They face you by force. They'll buy shoot camera for your face. They pinch you make you laugh. No follow they do that kind of video. No follow they do that kind of video. Una know they quarrel, but let there be boundaries. Because anything will make you not go to follow Asikpa, they laugh, they follow and they play near, you are going to lose some fans. You are going to lose some fans because your fans will not trust you anymore. Your fans will not know when to defend you anymore. Your fans will not know when to stand by you anymore. So what do you have to do? Your fans' happiness is your priority because now those one be your war people. If they go war, now then you won't pack. If you they go war, now then you won't pack. You understand? No say Asikpa ka birthday. Asikpa when birthday no get head. Birthday no get head. It come by the talk say people will celebrate. Now so this one celebrate. Everybody will celebrate. Now people will don't teach work. People where they teach musician work. Now those one go they buy all those pillowcase where they put his house. I want me balu your poo. You see any better gifts? You see any better gifts? Even one small ram where post. Now she go buy use her money post the ram. Now he go buy the ram. Come by they buy ram for her. Now nobody buy anything. The thing over and now you don't come out because they say you want to beg Europe people. Go straight and say you want to beg presenters. Which one be say Europe women? Europe, your Europe ladies. You know say you know stop say you know if you beg anybody for your life. Say you don't arrive. You don't reach. You get everything now. You see and now say people are bringing you down. Person where you be say they down, where you say now you they feed. That person now, she go there on top of you. She go be the #1 best hair seller in the whole world. Where is the soul? Where not your fan base? You wait they play Pangolo that time, you get fan base. Why they play Pangolo that time, you get fan base? You know I am where we cool 25,000. Not be 25,000 that they carry you for dance. Not be social media make you worldwide. Let people call they know you. Where business call they people call they carry for party. Not be Europe people, you test out to the charge person 200,000 for dance. You get will give you 200,000 for Nigeria, then you can play. When Europe people were not me. Now so now that same Europe people now. Now which your whole was strong now. We are not there to say una I don't even pray. Me una has scatter. But you, I want you as queen to lay your lesson. My Lord say, Queen, please let's forgive her. Forgiveness is a sin. My Percy Edo blog. Forgiveness is a sin. For this, my own Joshua Shao. I don't know about that. You know why I don't go forgive her. This is not the first time she go come aside. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Wala, but to him, me, oh, walk back here, my person. No below you get picking. No below you get picking. As people bonus now, so we say bonus arrive everywhere. Pay me money, maybe a lot better 14. No be only you get picky. Where you buy one my mine, and your man telling me, and your man telling me, what for I would do? So I say, I'm not telling you, they don't get papa. I did all of them, they don't get papa. They don't get papa. Now only you want to say, people where you born for, you pursue them. Una kuleya brawa. I have a mere way ah. Era more with me or celebrate me or graduate to era more with go mom with bishop. Now you want to say nothing like that. It be a way and a hormone. Before ma they abandon woman, abandon children for her. Ni opa lie here. No queen who no dada here. When you young side the pangolo here the street, rather condemn and here. You know say that woman no good. No matter what, if they had before ma abandon children for woman. If they had, talk less of the first one, Obo abandon children. The one where you go pursue your wife come up for us, he abandon picky. When my radio, what do you want continue say you want? You don't already fail, you don't fail. Come and say, Europe women, Mona forgive me. Go straight say presenters, Mona forgive me. You don't know as you want to go straight. You buy the form. They beat around the bush. You read the way. Sorry for you. You never start. You go cry. Opwe, you go cry. Yeah, the smell. That's where you go meet person. Before you even enter house, we don't already know, say, what go they that house. Forget say they pretend. They do like they dig where they greet everyone. Everyone call you want to the one way come bust my head pass. Una not see right up where super queen, right? How many of una see that right up? Do you know that right up is so disrespectful? Do you know that right up, it's so disrespectful? She do that right up, Asupe Queen, aka falling, what I want to call her, falling hero, past glory. Akwe wati past glory, cause a glory ain't passing, and there's nothing she can do. Or when ya mama soon, or ya soke gbe 14 days you wa mosun. You no go hold anybody again. We don't be past that level. Una de get me so. Past glory can't go right for a war, for conversation. Now you get that fake account too. You can't only she go reply herself. Ona the word, you don't get a bully word. She bully a word for dear. Waiting no talk. Say now because of her. Now they even manage marry a word. You, because of you, why you go say na because of you? They even manage marry Edward. Because come to think of it, Edward don't date the house of that marriage. Edward they never pay money for her head, but she don't they live married woman life. Even before you pack your pangele tomatoes come out for Boaz. Even before una remi when a zingiri come out for Boaz. Edward already they drive cars from that same marriage where you they talk now say now you make the pay a bride price. Edward don't shop all the food we did that marriage. Even the man papa Edward don't shop everything where it concern the bola. Edward the remi ya eniwa ona ye be yo boloko ike boloko ni niya. And now you come where reach your hand. Person where they shop the things since you know she don't even make noise. 2 years no year. Or you boloko kere no you have a kere because even the man don't old. Edward meet the man the time when the man they vibrant. When the man still young. When the man they at least the man they feel the fear son of balo. You when you come me to boloko of a power don't they old sooner. You don't want let person hear word. You don't want let person hear word all your life. And so parable. Why that have you no dema guana no mukia supe kwen. Unwaga yo men yenu. See your life now. Your jealousy and your jujulism and your bewa thing. See where una push Edward to na. Akbok bawoha. Fio to no mae. It not shock you. This one are just the beginning for you. If you say with a lie, that your mouth now way long. Try and insult a word. Try and make you go insult a word. Every other people fit out to a word, no problem. But you open your mouth, go insult a word. May we can remember you say the thing where you not fit take, where you pursue you come up for your bow house. Nay a word they be so. Una will get boy. You do a Boaz. You de chauffeur o die. E guive yawaga bele yaiva. Or what bono. Or boss say 1 second wife. Now you pack load for head. You come out. Abi because you know fit stay. Edward husband say need second wife. Edward look and say, she no get choice. She don't already did this house for years. If Edward no good, Edward no go even last 2 years for them. If she no good, but she don't deal with this family for years. Am I any have a social media? Am I roving there? Even the husband Nobody have ever insulted that man in any way. Or we don't go with that. Nobody don't even insult that man. Nobody have ever insulted that family. But you see you, Asupekun, ne retired distributor of children. I don't know what I want even call you. We're not far bastard. Now you, since when you enter that house, calamity bursts. You know they see you, they tell you truth. You know they see who they do it in, who they tell you truth. Yeah, but where you walk, do one like that, do one like this. Now you the rain. Now Ume too far. The only fans where the where you get now be your meaty people. Now be your meaty people. Those are your people. Now those are why all those ones go say they attached to you now because they never collect their money and baza never so avekpa. Eso akpa. Nou we la na ene vun no. Now this one you take confirm and say social media they raise person. Social media they fling person through way. If they fling you, where you go bounce put your pants go tears. Anita Shamba pants stay tears. So we say they do video for a music cover no who have basso. You see Anita Shamba pants tear. Now so your own go be. Social media, we don't like you at all. And who are the social media people? All of us we there abroad. Yes. Our phone no charge is steady. As I dey talk now, my phone is 100% charge. A charger you ever run inside. Phone no dey. You were there inside village. Who get this hand? Now self-love. A self-love, you know. Self-love is a cro. Self-love is a Ugiagbe patient or me HIV. Now be this. That's why she know they wear singlets. Say they do video. She always wears even maybe I will even say that go give Kurita. Kurita and her daughter. She need to detect. I don't know as I want to call her to this this sickness was. Cause we don't already get one daughter. So I have a strange disease in Anna. Do I mean okay now identify. Even if you ya Kurita go no. All this sickness. A self-love is she contacted Ugiagbe from Ashawo work 2013. Or here. And the worst part, she dey scratch body like say she won't buy. Make she wear polo tomorrow. Self-love, wear singlet tomorrow. We want check something. Anita Shamba, who got her? Who got? No, not sure. Okay, Anita Matt, who cut her? I dey come. I will reach that one story just now. me, I dey come. I'll reach there just now. I dey come for that one too. Una they get me so. So, Asupekun, you see, Anna say, a word not be your mate again. A word is not our Edo pride. A word is not our Edo Beyonce. A word is not our Omiemevade. A word is not our Ijowa. A word is not everything we want to be seeing. Where yale skeleton system, skeletic boma. Yale. Kena wana do meet your skeleton do asan yo sanre yale. A word not big, ne word not be your mates. This is skin cancer. Itaba. A daughter boom. Me have velekwa. Aproko self-love. When not a skin cancer. Ye me make you. Mi amu giagbe. Umukian. I think say, your mama de my phone. If you already know when I want you, that your power be your dear says so. Yeah, is a man. Yeah, is a man. Now go hear what. Now go learn a very terrible way. I will want to dana. You wanna. Yeah? Make they live how? So, la when you not that way. If I just do my own, I will just make pepper. We will they do pepper body so. Now pepper body we get. Now pepper body we not get mad. If body to pepper person before you go buy full human being, you not go know. So you are a useless person. You are not worth to be a public figure. You are not worth to be a role model. You are a nuisance. Go back to back of market where you for come. If na tomatoes you fed, they say go back there. Now wetin fit you be that. Don't come and say, don't come tell us say because you dey craze, so body dey pepper you. If you call them mad, meaning say now so the thing they do you. No, if you are depressed, they take your medicine steady. We cannot take that from you. That is why, as I say, you don't already open your mouth and say now so you dey craze. You are not fit to be anybody role model. Role model a person will be say even if they pass through something, she go see they put on a smiling face. She go feel organize house if oga no dey. She go feel pay gbese if oga ho. You wait say you get money, ma wait till you pay your bomb so all the money where they sink or they draw where bats they draw your husband every day. How many you don't pay? May we see and say the receipt where send that money come now from you. I may go when I walk. But because you have a platform on social media, you will come and be taking the glory. Who do I talk? Only someone you know a kenita imotola. Only someone you know a can fieta imotola where we say you separate different ways. You will come the reason for social media. The phone say, now you be this, you have done it. I mean, you know, set you. Ye past glory. You are not a past glory. No, you not mentor anybody again. The only shout where you partner, but now people where you they help, where they teach music. People where they teach music, people where they follow buy something for market. Now they say they buy you, now they give you something. And people where you they promote their page. What you concern Anita Wheelbarrow? Okay, make I give Anita her own small. And people, thanks for joining. I be more than me share this video. This particular part I want to talk, so now message to Anita Chamba, aka woman wey marry man 3 months. After 3 months, they divorce. Anita Chamba, according to my understanding about you not be small pikin again. Two from Edward to okay, one of that two. I believe una they follow her, they buy. She get better hair. She get quality hair. Okay. If you get money to shop better hair for yourself, go to Edward Salon. Edward get hair, but a price you know say yes. Na shop you come. You understand? If you go tell her say you be a fans, she fit do discount for you. But if you buy, I get personal. Get one of my girlfriend where they here. Hair where she buy 2018 from Edward. Those that she get out today, you say na yesterday buy the hair. The hair are still beautiful. The hair they bounce. Everywhere you come like this one bouncy for. Now only Edward Salon you fit see her. So please, if you be my fans, go and patronize her. Not be say with the patronize her because of say they can't they fight now or saga day. No. Now God, now they use us, they promote us so for free. Now God, because God thought say no mock anybody for this life. That asupekwen don't to mock a word. Asupekwen don't to mock a what you never take mocker. They no marry you. You not get house. The good girl where you be. Wait till you achieve. Queen. Wait till you can achieve. You not get every day by day. Wait till you achieve. And that asupekwen forget say the only thing where she achieve. Now Upangolo where they call they play for Europe here where we they spray for her. And we don't decide we don't go spray for you again. Oh Chilo, you don't finish your phone. You coming to Europe now, you have to yegbese because CUC prison for trafficking. You are using your band, your instrument to the traffic. You go learn you thing. You go learn very terrible way. You will know say Europe women. You go know why they thought say women for Europe they mad. Even men when they put them for us, they don't live there. Sometimes go check history of some Europe women. Man, no be so na fellow. You go pack load for head, you go wrong. Chebi, you say you where be say your head cold finish. You say your head is hot. You say you get choco. You say your head now so you feel mad. For why Europe women they? You they mad. You not mad. You be very quiet and decent girl for where Europe women they. Oh, you be okay way. I want me not so you dey mutia. You do me you come Europe now. We dey wait for you for this side. Ma ke we be di an wa do se epo le ga do rego. Your eye go, you see, your eye go make boy. You'll be like magic thing for your eye. So my people, let's continue. Anita Chamba. Why you no get sense like this? I be think if person does say experience this for life, the person will get sense. Anita Chamba, Edward never insult you once. You with Edward not because of say you be a super friend. Because of say you be a super friend. So even when your own friend go do wrong, you don't know when to tell your own friend, say, they wrong. So if your friend they wrong, you know if you tell your friend, say, this thing that you did is very wrong, then meaning you are a bad friend. Anita Shamba, where don't leave man with black price for head. Go Canada, go sit down. 2 years ago, now you back, but where you wear yellow to yellow, can't do marriage of 3 months marriage for years, semi-marriage where you marry. Even the ugly man where you marry, very ugly man, that man will work finish. You can't use your money marry and here because you are ashamed of yourself, say you don't get husband. You marry the man, finish at the end, 3 months later, you and the man, una fight, tear, una pint for this social media. All of us here. Not be the man you born for. The one where you fell marry, where you born for, that one, day one side. That one history, it day. Everything full. You wear your character be when. You wear your character be when your character they see me. The guy where you deal with, so you forget say I don't bring that guy picture. You forget say I get that guy picture. Now me fair can talk for this live video say the man where you deal with Anita Shamba is a married man. Why you not go support a super queen? Birds of the same feather flocks together. Why you not go support a super queen? That married man now go beat and beat his wife, beat his children, join you. Why you laugh with you? Ogun buy kara you wahu. Ogun buy kara you wahu. Yes, nah. Very useless and a local dirty stupid girl. The other day, go follow a super queen, Pass Glory, sing music. You where you be say you don't get any presenter where you they respect Anita Shamba. You sing one mumu music finish. You wanted presenter to use their platform to promote you. Abi, you wanted presenters to use their platform where you always they insult presenters. Say presenters, they are very wayward. They are wayward children. They're not get fronty. They're not. You wanted presenter to use their platform to promote you. I was watching you. I see how many times you don't cry. Do video. Say I beg. Make presenters they play your song. You not get copyright. If not, they go put. If music even finish for this world, your music now the last thing where we go play. Especially when you go future past glory. Who want player for una? You dey crazy. If you be person where guesses, you deaf where we talk say we not go promote past glory music again. Thanks for joining my lady Bridget. Anita Shamba no. The only woman where wear yellow and yellow to do marriage. Wait till make you don't leave the man where you come marry for Italy 2 years ago. Not before the one where you born for. Why you wrong? This beat where they beat where your mouth swell up your mouth nearly, where your mouth make move like this, where you be say your mouth no green, you no green go down again. Not be man beat you. Not be man beat you. Not be the man where you come marry for Italy, yeah, beat you, use blow, scatter your man. You know say your story a day back of me. If I talk and go be like say I see they read the book. Book when I write your history, put I never ever open and I don't already know say whoa, where am I going? Look how you they expose yourself now for live video. If they do video, they go open and went down. You go open quick down. As you open and reach, you not fit find man of your own. My team is different from our team. The only woman where they Europe, they friend married man. The only woman where they Europe, they beg me married man come marry her. Thanks for joining my lady Faith. He say, I know, say, lady quick must break table leg. My lady, no, this one be say break table leg. Because these people, if you no one follow the talk, they'll just they misbehave. Here was zuore like how do they have a zuo na be kana wala why avagbo. Mama gear, you guys are useless. Uwa Anita Shamba, you go follow past glory, you go future past glory. May you say as your own life they be. Before you go future past glory, I even sing past her. Okay, you see her? Before you go the future past glory, you know the great presenter. Women utwe, women otwo, umunoma, usioma, women yo bonuje no wo abagbo no wo na Anita Shamba. Women uje. No suave no zuana. I know say they look me. Wo wo ave kuweke menu wenu na wo wo. Kuweko obiani no mu we me picture ge. Ya de gbe sun agbe, ehun afelede. I dey come na una this serious on a video just now. Il y a des besoins moins et on a fait les dés. Now, you come. After you don't insult presenters, finish. Say we no get future. We broke. We no make am. We they disgrace you. Because as ugly as you, I don't know, they tell you say you fine. You say we they disgrace you. Now you can't go future past glory for one music. We be like two small children carry bangale tomatoes. They knock and spoon. Una say una sing comment. Then you now go they tell presenter say, may presenter I beg, may we they play your song. For which platform? We want for play the song. Platform where you don't use your mouth commonize. Platform where you don't recruit people, may they go the report. Platform where you they pray that time, say may they draw, may they even ban Facebook. Or may they even ban presenters. Now that platform you want me to promote your music. Why see one beboa? Why not dead in one no ma blow la? Why go? Even the music. Since when you just sing almost 7 months now. A music in your may say 1,000 wash. Abina. Add the corner. Or may say 1,000 wash. Abina 1,000 views. Oh, wait till they find go there. When you won't get we are. You will not get one single character. Uwe gwa si nwa unu we na no bi aye pa bigone na we ya si nwa ni ma e ma nu ya straight ni mo putiti ne pass glory ama e pe woni we no bi aye pa shift or unu bigo akon we ya transfer different direction be o go dey play your song wa bon wa gbon e pe moji we no mo ti won e life we to ban wa we live video u ke won yo de ma ke won yo to ki we yo to no wo Canada you dey Canada base where they wear pants with here Canada base where they wear pants with here. This picture when I put you so party no joto nyaga. Onyaga, you wear short skirt, you dey dance, you put your leg down. This one a video. You don't say they even edit. Now video where you do now the filter where you use be this. Hey, panty wanna solo. You're a disgrace to motherhood. Tomorrow you come and you say be mother. Why you not go to support a super queen? Why you not say una where you they support the super queen? Where that bunga we no jie. Noro dukun egbe magi agwe o to ga te wo re me bi agbon o o si pa lo mo ko ro tan o amare ko hia ede magbe ne ko ariyo ma no ibi ese o ede magbe ne bi edo ariyo ma no ke iduwa bi adete de singa ono na noro dukun na ogwe ye mo pe no re ne e lo sleep for gijo agbon wa we no ro panty way every day panty way your pint and then I'm a panty one must me we are a useless woman which man want marry like this Anita Shamba no go marry anori say at 45 years a bon do agbashago a bon we hook up shameless side chick now another woman has now you just see the distress so as they want to a word now another woman has you want just see now you your day so now we know or where one mugwenia. No go wawagbon. Single man where you come marry for Italy for year. You know these 3 months where you take throw away the man side. Marriage cancel, the man beat you, bang your mats. You come by the lie, say fall for scooter. Not be scooter. You fall for scooter, your head not na ground, your hand not na ground. Now only your mats. Now only your mats, now I blow touch. But useless. Shawoni here. Shawon not get shit. See your life. And people make I go play the husband. That Anita husband. When she did live video, they craze. Mona listen to man where they follow so. The married man where they follow so. Mona fell listen to where she talk, say the man a married man. Mona listen to where he talk, say the man a married man first. Let's start for them. I will be a cat 20. Wait, you know for live video.
I've never seen a man like him.
Okay.
How would this relationship will lead to marriage? I swear. I will be 002. Okay. I'm not lying. If this relationship will lead to marriage, me will hate to be 002 for B. I prefer to be. So, if everybody left in that day, I will provoke.
Una de ye?
I say, what I say, make you forget about this. Since I was born, I've never seen a man like him. How would this relationship will lead to marriage? I swear. I will be 002. I'm not lying. If this relationship will lead to marriage, me will hate to be 002 for B. I prefer to be. So.
Una de here. This one are people where they support Asupe Queen. Una hear what she talk. He say The guy, now the same video where the guy take pursue and come out for live video be this, where that one nearly use your coat her head. She said, I wish the guy go green marry her as 002. She for too happy. She for be the happiest woman on earth. She for like and well. So Anita, 45 years old. So are you telling us now that the man where you dey flaunt online, my guy, where you dey my guy so online, my guy no want make her dey do live video where you dey flaunt so is a married man. I felt say una say those of una where they support her super queen, you guys can you short una be best of the same feather. So my guy, where you dey my guy up and down, that boy so we do belefic but like he cannot one way. That boy so though I know the boy wife, I know the boy details. Yeah. You fully well, you know, say that guy is a married woman. A married man. You want shook your head, enter inside. I say you want shook your head, enter inside. You want go scatter that one house. I say you want go scatter the guy house. This one are you where do marriage 2 years ago. You know if you stay your own marriage. You marry single man, you know if you stay, you know if you plan with the man. You know if you suffer with the man. You are there somebody else's property. Anita Chamber. I thought you were a little bit educated. But with what I just heard, you are the most useless single mother girl what I don't see. Your mates, they look for single guy where they go marry, focus life with. You thief person husband, he not pay me. You did if to say you even they hide, they chop the bolana, I not get problem. You are displaying somebody husband claiming say na your guy or another woman property. Anita Chamber, eruwe wa we say. Anita, iweru we say. This is the reason why. If I look, some of you like, I know say where una they go is still far. With the look on your face, video when me see where you they dance now, where you put your nyasha and everything for ground. I believe say that guy don't verse go in house. Since you do this video when I dey play so. I believe say the guy don't verse go in house. You now they force yourself. Now so I sick back how they do. Now they shake in ash way no they there. Uwe na ya biele vuera vuirine. Uwe na ya bie money si go slow ne. Uwe yereva. Wait you na kon de wear small skirt they phone for. Ave when it be ayo bo ge kia. Ave when it be agwo honey. Eh? Wait you na kon de form for. Ah je short skirt una kon de. You will see them with their small nyash, they'll put the checker. If they stand straight like this, you all look there. Their pekus can never come together. Eya separate because I have a baby ya gia kwani. Eya gia kwani. And now they flaunt me pass. Hey. Nothing most I not go see for me. Now they call my boo pass. With people, somebody else husband. When I listen to the one where the man say use shirt here ahead for live video, you got the touch and ban oh Anita, you are no longer a baby, okay? If you're even small picking, they do this kind of thing, you will come for head. If 40 years or 15 or 16 or 20 years old, they do what you they do so. You they not married man, you they boldly they talk on. No be even say the boy and sugar daddy now. That boy shit not the yash. Funa even see that boy, na Anita they feed her. Na Anita they feed the boy. Now that one go take punish her. Now that one be the weapon where fashion been a form against her. So guys, more than listen to Anita but not her. No man.
Hairword Ipagua. I don't say your name na Evelyn, but you are popularly known as Hairword. My darling sister, the video you did yesterday, many people are hailing you. Many people are praising you. I not be anybody friend. Okay? I won't come to video to you to advise you as a woman and how a woman supposed to stand. Some idiots will come here and say, who send you of advice? Yes, I know say your way not be my way. But let me start with this. My darling sister Edward, you want proof say you be good woman. Yes, you be good woman, I know. But what did you do yesterday? Not be good woman thing.
My people, now they listen to this useless, abandoned two marriage woman. This one don't go to marriage. Two marriage, now they don't confirm for this one head. I work with Canopy and this they wear they say too much. At the end, she not stay. She not stay. Now, Mona listen. She said, why was she badging Edward? It was because of Asupe Queen. Because Asupe Queen be her own godmother. Now you ever look for bonus in the hot. Now two of them now they married me association. Now two of them they bolo married me. If you know say you get husband, you dey Canada all and well. Anita now they don't menu all these women they menu they don't get group. They don't get canker so now people husband that they find they go because even then the worst part not be say these women not see single men, they say single men, but they don't feel cope. Single men not even married them to start with. Single men not married them. Guys, share this video for me. More let me share this video. Single men not married them. Now married man they come they sing shingom they go. They singom married men. So if you dey Canada, hold your husband away. And he take care of one assist so. Now anything on that skirt. In your way born one Italy. No be joke. Now no Italian boys, they not get messy. In your way banwa, they not can join war. Not even bed. They not can join war. Na free bowler they take pursue and come off for Italy. Where they go Canada, where they so. Or ye so domamia bebo ya bebo. You know say woman, you go be say you stay to marriage. The two marriage where you dey, you no get head. You supposed to know say now you be the problem. See Anita Matt alone. The reason why they blow her for Matt, she get bad mouth. Now woman will not sabi respect man. She no get one single respect. Now go see here and just now for this video. She no get one single respect. You the badge and was say what do video. Why you no ask yourself if to say you get sense? If there's any sense where remain for your head and it's chamber, why you no ask yourself say waiting lead to Edward to come they do video, they talk so many talk like that. Since when you tell no Edward for how many years? Have you ever seen Edward in that kind of mood before? The answer is no. Have Edward ever do any type of video to refer to anybody, be it presenter, call wife for anything before? The answer is no. Now you not see her in that kind of mood. You no even reason say, what did trigger this woman to do this kind of thing? She not fair be like this. You no reason her. The comment where your Asupe Queen, godmother go comment, we go write, we go post. You read them all, you go even put like. And she write down, if they go check that comment when I know say you go there because you be ogomadia. You be ogomadia, you dey zuzu up and down. You now ogomadia, you be has there. You don't go there, go pull like. You understand? You see that one where that one right say if not be she, therefore not marry Edward. Thank God say, whether that one even papa nobody know because of marriage to achieve the goal to herself. Nobody know. You not go see wetin that one right, but you be fast to see video where Edward do. Now so una type be, we know now. Fake life bitches, we know now. We know you guys. Una they always see the way person reacts. But wetin trigger that person to react, like una can never see am. And you guys are useless. No level for una again. Una be past glory. You now Anita Shamba with your Asupe Queen, godmother, una music, una be past glory. I know say as I talk now, your mama will be Asupe Queen. She go come to play your music now. Make she play her. Yes. If to say she even like you, as you write that abadabidi can give her. Say na music where you want sing. It will say that you are super when mama like you. She for tell you say this music you know go pass my roof. Talk less or say one time the old talk say one can transfer to the whole Nigeria, come they come Europe. As super when no say that music. That music, even a Boki where they sell onions, no fit play that music for wheelbarrow. They say, okay, person we call the side jeep, they relax. You can say a voice, that your voice will be like person where eat cockroach. Now that music, that kind of music, that person want listen to. She not tell you, she leave you, make you fool yourself. Do you think she like you? She not like you because you be presenter. She not even like anybody around her. That one come up by that one so. So my people, may we listen to, may we continue to the listen. The man will be your ball also.
As me they take my word. No idiots go come curse my man. I can be girlfriend to not even wife. Yeah? They insult my boyfriend. They humiliate.
Anita, shut up your dirty mouth. You say as you did so. No woman go fit come insult your guy, your boyfriend, even as a girlfriend. Not be that boy who I don't use when you and beat tire. I be not be that one you they talk. I go bury that your guy so or go keep papa. Go tell us say so go keep papa. It not be even he papa. Wa be you wa boom when the boy wa. Which boy be that? That boy will be like bread with the soft water. We fat like what I don't know. Man, they fat like that. Man, they fat like that. When you go to the free boy, we fat like food. The boy may boo. Put that for guy be like busu. You are mad. Now that one be your guy with person. Tell that boy say I say Ipolomo can bear. That boy go fat by. As you be busu. Talk one time I come put a picture tomorrow. Ya sang yagboa. You dey mad. Awa boa evawa. Now they craze. Nobody feels on the boy. That boy now God will punish him. You know better for his life. I don't insult her. I don't insult her. What do you want to do? Who are Kola who they man you war? I saw the other one sit and say
all sort of names.
Sir.
Tomorrow I'm going to call her brother the beggar.
Now they hear this as well. Now they hear this as well, my people. See the way this useless Anita they talk like one better person safe. The one she they talk like they didn't even they die. It's better than they take me for you. I don't even know what to say.
My advice goes like this.
Yeah. The man where the so-called man where she say put money for her head where she born for. The man where she born for. That one do marriage for Anita. Anita no stay husband house. The one where they wear yellow to yellow where she do marriage 2 years ago for Anita. Anita no stay husband house. But today now Anita is a proud side chick. Oh twege. Anita, I said the man where you born for where put money for your head many years ago, you no stay the marriage. You no fit stay, you no fit be. The one where you wanna wear yellow to yellow 2 years ago, wanna do marriage for Italy, you wanna call do marriage for here. You no fit stay. But today now, you are a proud side chick. Wow, you know the reason why you they talk. You be like fool. A fool like you know, so your husband see that your husband so still be. You are a foolish fool. Una day with man finish, una no fit beer, una no want settle, una can't leave the men, una can't go become side chick or second wife to another woman where are set to beer, say husband house, person they beer, everything are patient. Are you guys not useless like that? Not be useless, una useless like that. My people, I'm not talking to other women, not be other women they talk to. The only 2 people why you they talk to. This Anita Shamba with what is they call her? Past glory, aspect queen. With this one where get HIV for body so. Now they get me, my people. This useless one say nobody fit try. Man wey be say your own man, you not protect her, the one where you born 2 children for. You not protect her, may nobody insult her, may nobody try her. You leave her. You leave her finish, you become a side chick. You are ready to do anything for your side bowler. When we are saying, oh, no, vegetable. Ah, Lord, you are
My advice goes like this. my sister. Or don't we how many? Open humility. Open my bottle. Excuse me. I know say right now, everybody they praise you. Everybody need peace. Everybody is a good woman. She's a better woman. My sister, yes, that is what you want them to tell you. You want them to see you as a good woman. You want them to see you as a good wife. My darling sister, for you to come and come and beg the man with the humiliate you bring your husband down, my sister, you be bad wife. Open him exhausted. Almighty to humiliate him.
Wa berewa. Anita Shamba. Iwo bi amuzo se ni wa buhun wa bera bai. Almighty to humiliate. What? That is why. Now so not issue now will be have second things in have second hand liquidated handbag in. This how now they drop problem they go they give the men where they nakuna the married men who now they follow because una oversabi una come do so na too know. You now you bring your husband 2 years ago when you borrow for this social media. You want one wear yellow to yellow. The time when you the French that one na wear yellow to yellow, you they bully the one where you born 2 children for. You they bully the one where you born 2 children for. You come up for that one, and the one where you wear yellow to yellow, wanna do marriage 2 years ago, and I'm here marriage, man, take 3 months. Why Ivana guy in war, you not fight for all those ones, you not protect all those ones. Now this agidi be where you new carry so where be say na person your husband. Now you say this, you just want me to drag this boy anyway. For you to even utter this useless word from your mouth. You wanted people to drag the guy. Because e.g., you are a presenter. You have been on a cyberspace. You don't do saga. You don't insult people husband. You don't insult people papa. You don't insult people mama. You don't insult... Ogun gbera da fun gbere nene. Ogun gbelu wa gbewa. Wa sungu vegbe. Are you mad? You will be presenter. Now you go they talk who they go insult who they know who sungu. I be forget say live video. That one where you say me will not beat. Now that one will define. Who will lorry adi ekuwe kenene boy no zua. Obolade kofi bonumu. A disgrace. You will be used and done. Many men don't use you dumb. They will counter. That boy for the Italy there, where they call him, where they is it Bologna? That boy for Bologna that time where you friend before you go marry yellow to yellow. You don't know, you forget what that guy tell you. He say before you go by, no man go ever take you serious. And if you say me will check na so it be. Na so it be. Ozu. Are you not supposed to be your husband's house with your children? You be small picking. How many years are you? Ebu awege. Asha what you make, you never reach. Prostate. You go Canada now, you dey phone push. Not be Italy based you be. Not be Italy based you be. All your life, not be Italy. They don't need 2 years. I be 3 years when you go Canada. Not be Italy you be. If you not come up for Italy, now call they do like say, not be people dey Italy. Mumu woman, shower. Oswald, mumu where you mumu for Italy. Then you see they do for that side now. All Ekia and the audio city rayaful. Still yet, where your direction face we never even know. Wanna listen to? I wanna listen to the part where she and the guy they fight for that video.
Not for anybody. Can't go say use your money to person. You carry customer go give your husband, not be Esther. So this one not concern Esther.
Okay.
I too go love you.
Now hear these idiots. Now they talk, papa. They want to listen to what they talk. Now she say, she just finished to the talk just now. Say the lady not supposed to involve herself for this matter where it happens so. She said for the lady to involve herself, she's a bad woman. The video never ever come up for granted. Now she don't still talk again. Say. Now the same lady her words now carry her friend go give her husband. You dey hear? So that kind of thing, Anita. So you want tell us now say the woman was wrong to pay her friend. Say my friend, I beg. I don't want to make you and my husband go the drag body for social media. Because definitely if they not pay that money, by now, how bad for say they draw your husband, they bolo one. They insult her, they saga her, they drag her until he pay that money. Yes, because the team, the logo is Operation Pay the Gbese. Now be the logo. Now the woman look and say, if her friend, they insult her husband, Now she also they insult her husband. For that thing not to happen for peace to reign, she chased the bills. Anita, how this lady now what wrong? Where all of una they cry say she for not pay, she for not pay. Most of una way they say she for not pay, una know the husband house. Una be use and dump. May don't use una dump. Some of una self una be side chick. So this battle now the way me they see her is between the first wives and the side chicks. Are you guys hearing me now? This word and Asukbe Queen plus some presenters matter now. Is between when they see her like fun, like cruise, like you know, it's normal. Things they happen, yeah. But the way me come they see her now, it be like say side chicks, have side chickens. They rise against the iyo wade. The men wey don't suffer follow. The women wey don't suffer follow their husband for years. The women wey be say they know as their husband take starts. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. The man in question has already been successful before he meets Upangolo player. The Edward has already been successful, known worldwide as Edward Saloon, Airport Road Vegetable Market, before Upangolo entered their life. Edward and her husband, they don't pay many price for each other. They don't pass through a lot of things. Sometimes go visit them, maybe they don't eat all year rice together with one head of fish. They were already rich before Asukbe Queen, aka faded musician, past glory, entered their life. They already rich. Now they even remove Asukbe Queen from suffer. If we say make we talk her, Asukbe Queen is ungrateful. Yes. Past glory musician, you are ungrateful. If you don't see you tell you, I could tell you. Before you know this man and this woman, now rubber bag, you take the pack load up and down, Ganam a backo bag from one husband.